Just want to record my adventure outside. That's a tree. Yeah, but I'm just outside is amazing. Like, look at this tree. I flippin' love nature. Why are there? Like nature is the best, cause like there's really nothing like being outside, looking at trees and stuff. Like, just look at this tree. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful tree. Yeah. It's like all the talk about cyber currency and stuff online when really all we should be talking about is how beautiful the trees are out here. Oh, look at this tree. It's a beautiful tree. I love trees. Like look at this nature. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.